Prove that if the position vectors a, b, c, and d represent 4 distinct points a, b, c, and d respectively, and we have a condition here, b vector minus a vector equals c vector minus d vector, then ABCD forms a parallelogram. Okay, let's try to first understand it with the help of a figure. We begin by considering a quadrilateral with vertices a, b, c, and d. It's also given here that if we consider some point O, where O represents the origin of a coordinate system, then the position vector of A with respect to this origin is given by vector A. Then the position vector of vertex B is defined as B vector, position vector of vertex C is defined as C vector, and position vector of vertex D is defined as D vector. And also it's given here that B minus A vector equals C vector minus D vector. We'll come to this in a moment. So here it is given in this particular problem that OA vector, this corresponds to A vector. Then we have OB vector, this is represented by the vector B. OC vector, position vector of point C is defined by the vector C, and position vector of point D is given by D vector. So OD vector is D vector. We need to show that A, B, C, D is a parallelogram. Now, we are also going to use the fact also it is given in the problem that B vector minus A vector equals to C vector minus D vector. Now, what is B vector? So that's simply OB vector minus A vector. So A vector will be OA vector. So C vector can be replaced with OC vector minus D vector will be replaced with OD vector. By definition, we know OB vector minus OA vector, that's nothing but AB vector. We have a vector going from point A to point B. This will be equals to OC minus OD vector, DC vector. So here we have a vector going from point D to point C. So we obtained the case that AB vector equals DC vector. Now that means there are two things that we can say about it. That means magnitude wise they are going to be equals to each other. So the length of AB equals the length of DC, and since AB vector equals DC vector and both are in the same direction, and we can also say that AB is going to be parallel to DC. So we have successfully showed this implies that ABCD is a parallelogram, hence proved.